The vehicle key missing error in 2016-2022 BMW 740i models occurs when the key fob's battery is dead, preventing the car from recognizing it. BMW's comfort access system relies on the key fob's signal for keyless entry and ignition. The dead fob prevents it from transmitting its unique ID, triggering the error. The primary solution is to use the mechanical emergency key hidden inside your key fob. Press the small button on the fob to release it. This physical key will allow you to manually unlock the driver's side door. Even with a dead fob, this key bypasses the electronic system, allowing you to access your car. Once inside the vehicle, place the dead key fob near the Start-Stop button on the console. While depressing the brake pedal, press the Start-Stop button. If this doesn't work, there's a hidden slot for the mechanical key. Pry open the plastic cover near the gear shifter or under the steering column. Now insert the mechanical key into the slot and turn to start the engine. First, you'll see the vehicle key missing error displayed on your iDrive screen. Next, press the small button on the side of your key fob to eject the mechanical key. Use the mechanical key to manually unlock the driver's door by inserting it into the door lock. Enter the vehicle and place the dead key fob near the Start button, such as on the console. Press the Start-Stop button while depressing the brake pedal. If needed, insert the mechanical key into the hidden ignition slot and turn to start. To avoid future issues, replace your key fob battery every 2 to 3 years. The cost is minimal, typically $5 to $10. Avoid exposing the key fob to extreme temperatures, as this can significantly shorten the battery life. Register additional keys via BMW dealer as backups in case of emergencies. These simple actions can help you avoid being stranded with a dead key fob. Modern BMW vehicles are increasingly adopting digital key solutions to address traditional key fob issues. BMW's Digital Key Plus allows smartphone access through apps like BMW Connected or Apple Wallet, completely bypassing dead battery problems. These digital keys use your smartphone for locking, unlocking, and starting the vehicle, offering greater convenience. As of 2025, 40% of new BMW buyers are choosing digital key solutions over traditional fobs. This trend represents the future of automotive access, making key management more reliable and secure. When troubleshooting the vehicle key missing error in your 2016 to 2022 BMW 740i, there are situations where the mechanical key method may not work. If the mechanical key fails, the issue might be with the body control module or BCM, which manages key communication. Resetting the BCM requires specialized dealer tools and software. Another common issue is with aftermarket key fobs. These third-party replacements often fail to sync properly with the vehicle's BCM, leading to persistent vehicle key missing errors. If you face repeated failures or suspect deeper BCM problems, seek professional help at a BMW center. They can reprogram keys, diagnose issues, and ensure proper syncing. This is especially important for aftermarket fobs or warranty-covered vehicles. Looking ahead, car key technology is evolving rapidly. Physical key fobs are becoming less common as digital alternatives take over. Ultra-wideband technology provides highly accurate location tracking, allowing your smartphone to communicate securely with your car for keyless entry. Biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning on door handles, eliminates the need for any physical device at all. By 2030, smartphone apps are expected to become the primary method for car access, offering convenience and integration with digital wallets. Battery-free key fobs using kinetic energy recovery systems are in development, ensuring reliability without the need for battery replacements. The evolution of car keys shows a clear progression from traditional metal keys to sophisticated digital and biometric systems, solving reliability issues like dead batteries.